Now we'll dig deeper by breaking the task into elemental motions. These are the smaller actions that make up the full cycle. As you watch, you'll notice something interesting: the scientist is performing two actions simultaneously. When that happens, we use a plus sign to notate them in our time study. For example, if he is picking up a jar while grabbing a tube, you would record it as pick jar plus grab tube. It's important to recognize when tasks overlap because it affects how we evaluate productivity and process efficiency. Watch carefully and try to capture those overlapping motions. You'll see what I mean when I show you my results shortly. Now compare your results. Do your numbers match or come close to mine? If so, great job. That means you're developing a solid observational skill set.